Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a digital painting. I didn't really know what to call this video or what to name this drawing. Originally I called it social media drawing because sometimes on social media things aren't always as they are in real life. Like there was this trend going around on YouTube where YouTubers pranked their fans and some of their fans thought they were on vacation, like in another country or city, but really they were in their hometown. Or sometimes people look different when they wear makeup, and vice versa. That kind of inspired this drawing. With this drawing, I started adding line weight to my line art, and I see a lot of artists do this, but I didn't used to do it because it takes more time. But now I really like it. It adds more interest and depth to the drawing. I wanted to really focus and improve my skills with this drawing and take my time. I mean, I always take my time, but then sometimes I tend to get ahead of myself and I feel like rushing because sometimes I just want this drawing to be over with so I can move on to the next one. Like when you start a drawing or start any kind of project, you are more excited when you first start it, and then once you get into it, you're just like, I just want this to be over. And yeah, that's how I felt while doing this drawing. And I took a lot of breaks, like long breaks. Like I took like a week off without even drawing or staring at a computer screen, and I think that really helped me kind of build my, I don't know, confidence a little bit. Also, before I start talking more about this drawing, I'm kind of disappointed about this, but some of my clips got lost somehow, which sucks because I wanted you all to see the process, but it's a good thing I didn't like the hair that much, so I redid it, and it looks so much better now. I don't know what's the problem. Sometimes technology just sucks. But anyways, let's start talking about this drawing. So with this drawing, I picked certain colors for a certain reason, because colors have meanings behind them. So let's start with the outfit. It's just like a basic yellow with a basic blue jacket. I really need to work on my clothes because it doesn't really look like a jacket. It just looks like something's thrown around her. But yeah. So when you look at yellow, you think of bright, happy, faith and hope. But when you look at blue, you think of sadness. So that's kind of what I was going for. I should have changed the colors around. You feel sad on the inside, but you want to express yourself as happy just to get through the day. So yeah, that's kind of what I was going for. I chose red for the lips in the picture frame. I know it's really small to see, but once I move things around and stuff, it kind of got, smaller. And I chose red because it's a popular color in the beauty and fashion industry, and it means strength and power. And for the eyes, it's a grayish bluish color. To me, in this drawing, the color gray means emotionless. And for the eyes, or one eye, her eyeshadow is purple because that means royalty and luxury. And her nails are red because red means a lot of different things, and it's really popular color. Like I mentioned earlier, originally the hair was brown, but I changed it to blonde for many reasons, which I will explain later. And it looks way better now, in my opinion. I didn't really like the way it was turning out. It's not really how I imagined it to be. So let's talk a little bit about my thoughts and my coloring process throughout this piece. So with the sketch, I did struggle a lot on the face, making the eyes, the same shape and stuff. And drawing the lips was kind of, I had a little bit of trouble with that because I tend to draw things too big, but good thing for digital art so I can resize it. So the picture frame is bold around the edges, so it's dividing social media versus reality kind of thing. So the hand wasn't really that bad to draw, or it doesn't look that bad as I thought it would. All I did was look at a reference, and but now I have to develop a style for drawing hands. I like the look of the skinny long fingers, but I actually just have to practice it to see if I actually like the look, Because, you know, once you draw it, you'd be like, I don't like it. So, I just need to practice with that. I can tell I'm getting better with the smooth blending technique and with the shading overall. I use the smudge tool and the blur tool and the blender brush. At first, I just used the blender brush and it made it look kind of like rough, but now you use like the blur and the smudge tool to make it look smoother because, you know, that's the look I like. For the brushes, I use the airbrush pretty much for everything, and I use brush 1 for like the base color. I use the airbrush because it's like easy to blend, and soon I do want to make a tutorial on my new coloring process soon because I really enjoy it, and also like I feel like I talk about the same thing over and over again in each video, and it just feels kind of like repetitive, and I'm just like repeating myself. And when I make these voiceovers, I just have to cut a lot of things out that I really want to say. So yeah, so once I make the video, I'll just be like, okay, watch that video to see my coloring process. So I wanted to redo the hair because it really wasn't the look I was going for. I wanted to try something new and make the hair look more, I don't know, like enhance the color to try to I don't know how to explain it. I just wanted to try something new, but I really didn't like how it turned out, so that's why I redid it. I don't like I like when other artists do it. I just didn't like how I did it. But I kept on dodging this hair color blonde because I don't know, I just think that it would like turn out bad. I wanted the hair to like, I don't know, like stick out, and I feel like with the brown it was just like I don't know how to explain it, but it's like something was missing. I think the blonde to me fits better and it makes her look more like an actual, like, I don't know, social media star. It's like if you like look in a room people full of like different colors of hair and stuff, you are most likely to spot out the one that has the brightest hair color. So it's like more noticeable. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment down below if I should make a hair tutorial. And also I feel like I have improved a lot with drawing and coloring hair, and I might like do like a separate video of doing like hairstyle videos and stuff, because you know there's different type of hairstyles you can draw. Like there's braids, dreads, box braids, and buns, and all kinds of different stuff. Straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair. Even though I'm not excuse me, I'm not that good at drawing curly hair. I just something I have to work at. And then there's like curly hair, then there's natural curly hair, and so many different hair styles and stuff. So yeah. So this voiceover was longer than I anticipated because I was just talking about a bunch of random stuff and I skip over some stuff that I wanted to say. But it's a bunch of repeated stuff that I say in all my videos pretty much. And comment down below if you want me to make a hair tutorial, because I feel like I have improved with my drawing and coloring hair. I might also do like a hairstyle video as well, because there are just many different types of hairstyles that you can draw. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye! So with these drawings, as you can see, between the black and white one and that color one, those two in the middle don't have a thumbnail, which is really weird. And every time I click on it, it just brings up this error message. So that's what's going on here. I'm about to bring it up, as you can see right now, and sorry about my voice. And it's gonna give you this error message. See, there's the error message, and usually it would play, but you know, it's not working for some reason. And I did record it, so once again, I apologize for the missing footage.